Hi, my name is Tom Shepstone. Many of you know me. I'm a planner here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and I've been very involved in fighting the Delaware River Basin Commission, which I'm here to talk to you about today. I'm very specifically interested in talking to you about the fact that you have been robbed, absolutely robbed, of your mineral rights. The DRBC, the Delaware River Basin Commission, stole them. Stole them about 8 years ago when they started a deliberate campaign of avoiding passing regulations that would allow us to have the same rights, the same mineral rights that people in the Susquehanna River Basin have. They are the same people for the most part, and yet they have denied us the ability to do what they do on the Susquehanna side. It's outrageous. It's a taking. They've taken what is yours, and you need to fight back. We all need to fight back. There is the ability, however, to do something about this. I'm working with a group called the Wayne Land and Mineral Group. I'm very not a member of it, but I'm working informally with them and with one of their benefactors, a individual who is from the Lehigh Valley, who is a patriot, who is very committed to our cause, and is financing a lawsuit by the Wayne Land and Mineral Group to uh, take on the DRBC and challenge what they have done. They're taking of your mineral rights, their robbery, their absconding of what is yours. Um, this angel investor or benefactor is willing to finance our lawsuit. And that lawsuit has been going on for about 3 years. It's already cost about a $500,000, and it could easily cost another $500,000 before it's done. We feel optimistic that our chances are good. I've talked to the people directly involved. When I say we, I'm not part of it directly, but this is the way it's going, in my opinion, based on my contacts with that group. And I believe we have an excellent chance of restoring your rights. But it costs a lot of money, and we need your help. We need you to be conscious of the fact that this cannot be done just by charity from our angel investor. He's looking for something in return. He is committed to our cause. There's no question about it. He owns land in Wayne County himself. But it's not worth it to him to put this money in unless he gets something in return. And he has asked for us to give up 4% of our mineral rights in order to allow him to have the incentive to invest now. So he's taking this on the come, you might say. He's looking for this 4% if he can possibly get it. I've done it. My family has done it. Many of my neighbors have done it. We've got about 8,000 acres that's already committed to this already, and we have several thousand other acres we believe we can get, and we would like to get much more because the incentive this will provide to Bill, our angel investor, is tremendous. And it's only right. It's not right that we should depend upon somebody else doing this for us. We've got to do it for ourselves. The 4% is only applicable to your mineral rights below 500 feet. Please understand that. You're not giving up anything else, not topsoil, not rock, nothing from 500 feet up. So and remember, right now, you have 0% of your mineral rights is what you now have. So what Bill is saying is, would you please give me 4% of what you might have if I win this case for you? If I can win it for you, will you give me 4% of what you have, and you'll have the other 96%? It's a hell of a deal, if I say so myself. This is something everybody should do, and do without compulsion. And without any hesitation. Uh, Bill is a superb individual. As I said, he's a patriot. We need to support him. We need to support this lawsuit. We're in the midst of it. It's about 3 years old. We're still in discovery. It's probably going to take another 2 or 3 years, but our chances are good. We never know at the end of the day how it's going to work, but our chances are good, and we know we have nothing, absolutely nothing, 0% of our mineral rights if we don't win it. If we win it, we do have something. And all Bill is asking is 4% of that. If you're interested in helping, if you want to fight for your rights, if you want to take on the DRBC, if you want to win this battle and halt this robbery and make them pay, this is the way to do this. Contact me. I'll put you in. I'll send you a sample agreement for consideration based on what your property is, and then you can take a look at it, see if it works for you. And if you're not interested in doing that, consider a cash donation. Contact me either way, Tom Shepstone. I'm at 570-251-9550. And you can also reach me at mail@shepstone.net. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to talk.